United Poly Engineering Pvt. Ltd. was incorporated in 1980 and was established in New Delhi, India with the intention of providing clinics and hospitals with high-quality stainless steel and aluminium hospital hollowares. UPL is part of the Grover Group of companies having a successful and growing presence in the surgical and medical field for the past 45 years. We have a team of professionals who are continuously and dedicated to ensuring the expansion of the company by providing high-quality products at the most competitive prices. The company is currently manufacturing products like kidney trays, surgical boxes, Gallipots, urinals, bedpans, and numerous other products in various sizes. In its goal of manufacturing high-quality products, the company has already achieved ISO 9002 certification. In addition, UPL is FDA registered and its products are CE marked. The company has been successful in establishing its presence both in developing and developed markets, and its products are already being exported to numerous countries in Europe, North and South America, Africa and Asia. The performance of the company can be gauged by its achievements reflected by it receiving the State Award for Outstanding Export Performance. The ideology of the company is to foster growth by earning trust. This has been made possible because of our beliefs in the 3 I's, our pillars of strength, integrity of character and spirit of fairness towards its customers and colleagues at all levels, interaction of the mind in relation to receptivity of new and original ideas in terms of the company's strategy and promotion, innovation at all levels of participation and communication within the company.